Today's class is question and answer from the public. And our question comes from David in the UK. And he says, I'm very Pitta, however my body looks like Kapha, mostly because I'm overweight. Otherwise I feel I'm not a combination body type and my type is pure Pitta. Any ideas on how to bring my body weight and self into balance? David, we can definitely help out with this. So first, let's start on the prakriti, the birth constitution. Because you've said that you feel you are a pure Pitta type and yet you're a little overweight, I'm not so sure specifically on why. So this is one for all the public out there. If you're sending questions into us, then be sure to talk about the specific qualities on why you feel you are a pure Pitta. What characteristics? Are you driven? Are you focused? Do you have a strong, intense digestive system where you need to eat, couldn't go 3 or 4 hours without eating? Do you tend towards anger, irritability, impatience? These sorts of things may tell us more about your Pitta body type. Yes, overweight could be a Kapha body type, yet it could also be expressing some degree of Vikriti, just as you say. So we'll start to look now at what that could be in relation to Vikriti body type, and we'll just assume that you're correct in that you are a pure Pitta body type and you're just experiencing a Kapha imbalance over the top of that. So if the Vikriti, the present imbalance, is a pure Pitta body type and the Kapha imbalance is coming over that as overweight, then the weight would be expressed evenly across most of the whole body. Whereas if the imbalance is more Kapha that is associated in your birth constitution, then the weight might be expressed more about the hips and the thighs. If, however, the imbalance is more Vata within the birth constitution and now there's a Kapha excess within weight that's accumulating over the top, then the weight would express more within the belly, the visceral organs, visceral fat. This will happen more to do with stress, more to do with cortisol, more to do with age-related weight gain that will express towards the middle of the body. So you can start to narrow in on which dosha you might think would be influencing your weight gain depending on where the weight is being held in the body. So as we're treating with Ayurveda, we look at prakriti, birth constitution, we look at vikriti, present imbalance, and then we go onto a specific condition. So the specific condition in Ayurveda is known as Meda Roga, and this means fat tissue disease excess. And the 3 primary causes for Meda Roga are Agni, digestive transformation imbalance, Mala, or waste product imbalance, the body's not getting rid of its wastes properly, and Ashrota's imbalance. These are the tissue channels of the body, how we're transporting nutrition throughout the body.